I will love to help you through the process of buying, sell, or listing your house. If you also need a house to rent, you are in the right place. Let me know I can help you. Call me today at 832-343-1930 Nelly, your realtor. Hablo Español. Check out this currently occupied patio home at this attractive price. This 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms house needs some updates. Property is sold, as is the seller is not going to pay for repairs. Buyers to verify all information in this listing, including, but not limited to, size, tax, etc. This property has a new roof replaced in March 2021 with a very nice vinyl floor throughout the entire house, including closets. Property has a nice private view with a seating area at the front of the house. 2 cars garages. 3 of the largest window in the house were replaced and a French sliding door as well.